Hey guys, it's Curt the Consultant. Today I'm going to continue sharing with you the problems I solve on a daily basis with my clients. My main purpose of making these videos is to, one, reveal common problems associated with this tool, and this way it will allow you to determine what's more important to you, getting the tool or actually benefiting from it. Second, to demonstrate the value of client support versus customer support. Remember, customer support is from someone who, buys a tool from a service or a website or business, where you can, contact them for general support. Client support is a separate definition as someone who receives professional service. Okay. And lastly, I want to educate you on the Maxisys Elite coding capabilities. Got it? Okay, let's jump into this case study. So my client was working on a 2004 Nissan Altima with the Maxisys Elite. He was trying to do a throttle body relearning procedure, but it was failing. And a little bit more of the background, the client found the throttle body relearning function, but it was not allowing us to complete its procedure. The car was still idling high and there was an error code on the BCM module. Now, my goal was I needed to identify the problem to see if it was software related or if it was mechanically related. Okay. And the approach in doing this is to collect and record the diagnostic session with a data logging application in efforts to determine a solution. Okay. So now I'm going to share with you the video and you can see exactly how we conducted this procedure. Now that we're here, I'm just going to share with you and explain my three-step process and how I address these situations. First, I actually do a video recording of the session. This way my engineer can visually see the error that we both encountered during this diagnostic procedure. The second step I'll do is submit a data logging report to the engineer so they can see if the Autel software has a glitch or if there is a condition not met in the vehicle that's preventing the coding procedure to be executed. The third thing I will do is follow up on the data logging on behalf of my client. This way, Autel will prioritize the query and address the client's question typically the next day. So what I'm doing here is documenting the data lodging report. Now anybody can do this, but as I said before in my previous videos, Autel gets billions of these submissions a day and they don't reply back to them, or at least not to everybody. So the benefit of having me do it for my client, my app will take my client's serial number on his tablet, associate it with my email, and my engineers, they know me, so they always revert back typically the next day. So let me just fast forward that here, and then you guys get the point. This is a data lodging, and then you should see sending, and that's it. So now I'm going to share with you the email that my client received and on how Autel addressed this problem. After I submitted the data lodging, the very next day my engineers developed a beta version for him to fix this error, as you can see here. It says, "We released beta version software 5.72 to customer's tool already. Please ask customer to download the beta and do the function again to check the result. Please follow the instructions and make sure we meet all preconditions during this process. Thanks." Since I manage my client's accounts, I had his serial number and password saved in my CRM system, and I registered the tool for him so he can download the new software, as you can see here. Now we can continue the procedure, and I'm going to give you the route function since the menu changed a bit. So there you have it, guys. I'm showing you the dark side of this tool just to help you guys make a cognitive decision on where you're getting your tool from, because there's 3 levels of support. Okay, first, depending on where you buy from online, you get no support because they're overseas vendors. The second is general customer support, which you'll get from, neutral platforms. All right. And then lastly, you'll get client support, where you'll get specialized treatment, just as the one you've seen in this video. Okay. Well, that's it, guys. I got to get going. Thanks again so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.